Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Facebook Business Suite or Ads Manager, then go straight to Audience Insights. Choose whether to analyze everyone on Facebook or only people connected to your page. That choice changes baseline data. Next, set core filters: location, age range, gender, and primary interests. These narrow the dataset immediately. Once done, make sure to save this initial audience. It becomes the reference for deeper segmentation and prevents starting over when you add behavior or demographic layers. Now deepen the audience by layering demographics and behavior. Add education, job titles, relationship status, and language to reveal professional and cultural patterns. Then include behaviors such as purchase activity, device usage, travel habits, and spending to find likely buyers. Compare interest clusters and inspect page likes and affinity scores. This shows what content resonates and where competitors overlap. As you refine, adjust audience size and check reach estimates, so you can balance specificity versus scale, but finish by saving the final audience and exporting insight tables or page-like lists for your team. Then deploy the audience in Ads Manager. Always test with small/B campaigns to validate assumptions before scaling spend. If your insights look sparse or unstable, troubleshoot. Broaden location or age filters, verify your Facebook pixel is firing, and confirm account permissions. Make sure the time range and comparison segments are correct. If not, adjust them and rerun to get reliable, actionable data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.